day today. All right, Lainey is here to tell us a little more. Hi, Lainey.
Yeah, the winds definitely making it feel really cold out there, and it's going to as that front was coming in. Ahead of the front, mild in the 50s, and now that front is moving through, cold air coming in with a brisk wind. We've got morning temperatures that'll be in the teens and 20s for the next couple of days. Milder by New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and 2026 actually starts off normal. In fact, you're going to see high temperatures close to 50 degrees for most of this week. Tomorrow, though, it is plenty cold with a high of only 40. Our temperatures are up a little bit from yesterday across the Triad right now, but notice the cold air coming in where temperatures are 15 to 25 degrees colder. Right now in the Triad, temps are in the low 40s and upper 30s. Feels like temperatures, though, are in the low to mid 30s in many communities as we do have that wind out of the west and northwest, and we've seen some gusts still at 15 to 30 miles an hour across the Piedmont Triad. Earlier today, gusts a lot stronger. Actually had a reported 45-mile-per-hour wind gust, or 43, I should say, in Winston-Salem, 46 in Burlington. We do still have that red flag warning out. That will be up until 7 o'clock tonight because we do have dry conditions despite the rain with low humidity out there and those winds. Fires can spread very quickly. We still have our high wind warning out for the mountains and the wind advisory out for our foothill towns. That is for gusts from 50 to 60 miles an hour, which could cause isolated trees down and power outages. We've already had some gusts today at 53 in Boone, 64-mile-per-hour gust in Jefferson earlier today. Over the last hour, those wind gusts are down a little bit, but still strong across the region. Temperatures are in the 20s and 30s in our mountain towns and foothills. Pilot Mountain at 39. You look at the wind chill already in the teens and even some single-digit values in our mountains, and it's going to get even colder tonight with wind chill values that could get as low as -5 to -10, and that is in Ashe, Watauga, also up into Grayson counties. That's why we do have a cold weather advisory out. Make sure you're dressing in warm layers, protecting your hands, your face to prevent frostbite. That cold air, of course, replacing the milder temperatures you can see still in the upper 50s across eastern North Carolina, but the heart of the cold air yet to arrive. Some 20s up toward Louisville. Some snow also up over the lakes. That'll move to the northeast. For us, we're going to clear things out and we will have clear skies tonight and sunshine tomorrow, but it will be a cold day. We did get a little bit of rain across the area today, not too much, but about a trace to a 1/10 of an inch in some communities. It'll be dry tomorrow. We're going to start off around 25 in the morning. Our high is about 40, and with that wind, you're going to want to dress for the teens and 20s for most of the day because that's what it's going to feel like. In the foothills, 24 tomorrow morning, wind advisory through midday. High temperature is 39, but remember with that wind, it's going to feel colder. You're dressing for the teens and the 20s. In the mountains, you're going to dress for wind chill values close to 0. 18 is the forecast low. That high wind warning up through midday. High temperature up to 29 tomorrow afternoon. Our New Year's Eve forecast is dry. It's a little chilly, but closer to normal. Temps drop into the 30s. For New Year's Day, we have a high of about 52, and we've got a mix of clouds and sun. So it is going to be pretty nice for the middle part of the week as far as early January goes. In fact, we're going to keep it close to 50 into the weekend with a chance of rain returning by Saturday.
Getting a check on traffic, a live look at, it looks like we're at I-40 at Peters Creek Parkway here. Traffic moving well in both directions.